slowing coming out of your nose. Is it no milk? Maria. Look. Your stomach. It's hard for you to breathe. It's like it's really hard, look. Your lungs are at work. I can't sleep with this. We're gonna do the fast again. Or just even shadows. Look. Shadows, like, what the fuck? Look at him. Your throat. It's like it's hard. But then watch this. Chin up. Whoa. Snoring. I can't sleep. I'm gonna figure something out.